Okay, we have dismantled this machine in Kaleva, Oulu, in northern Finland. This was a machine with 9 different towers. We have completely taken out whole machine, and then we bring them to here. But only 400 tons of maybe 900 tons. And then we have make a reconfiguration of this machine. This means we have them not anymore built up like he was before. We make a 48 broadsheet machine with 3 towers. All towers are full color. This means both websites are full of color. Cyan, magenta, yellow, black. And we can produce with this machine now 48-page broadsheet with the speed by 30,000 copies per hour, or we can print 96 pages also with 30,000 exemplar per hour by tabloid size. So this are the main things. What we have also done is we have a completely new control system on the machine. This means we are up to date with the standard of the producing metals where we have. Especially we can bring all ink screws on the right level, so we can start very fast and have good quality in beginning. The waste paper goes back. This is much more economically. The profit is bigger for the company with this new control system. This is so the main thing what we have done. The specialty on this project here is we don't take a new machine. This means we take old steel, a lot of them, and make more or less a new machine, so you can print again 13 to 18, 20 years again with this machine. But you have a very little investment. This is 4 or 5 times less the investment cost of a project, of a retrofit project like we have done here, or you would buy a new machine. I think this is so the main thing of this year.
How many people have been working with this project?
Yeah, they're all together. We start 2 years ago. We have made first by the planning side, also by cost side for the printing cost. We have made a big evaluation about the cost. Then we have done construction side a lot because we have to change so a lot of this machine. All together from our company was over 2.5 years. Was maybe the average was between 5 and 6 people who was in work over this time.
How many this kind of retrofit project has been made in the world?
Yeah, I don't know exactly how many in totally, but we have made. I think we start the first was 1992 in Valencia, and until today we have made 12 retrofit projects in this time. More or less in this same. Some of them was double so big, some of them was on 1 tower less. But more or less is this the average about this 12 project where we have done in our time. But this is coming more and more. I think we are this company who have made the most of retrofit projects, and now also the big players on the market start to make this retrofit project. So it's coming more and more because the economic side gives right to this kind of investments.
What is the biggest challenge in this kind of project?
Yeah, the biggest challenge is the coordination of the time. This means we have to, for example, we have to take out cylinders from the units. We have to bring them to Switzerland, make new them, or have to repair them. And the organization or the planning of the right time and all this, the workflow who have go together one with the other one, for example, electrical side, electronic side, with mechanical side, this is, or also transport and dismantling all these things is the organization is the biggest challenge of this project. Like to also make the building, the timing is the most complicated challenge in project like this are.